Oh, my baby. My baby. Oh, my baby.
Yeah, Zeus.
My baby. Oh. Oh, my doggy.
My doggy. My doggy.
What? Oh, that's so gay. It's like gay dog porn.
This is videoing.
Oh.
Get him to chase. Oh, it's scared poor Zero. Okay. He's like, when I'm bigger, I want to be like you.
When I'm bigger, I wish my dog could be that big. But I'm just a fox.
Go see Zero. Go see.
You won't go. See that sneeze he does?
You beautiful Zeus, aren't you? Come here, Zeus.
Because you can see that reflection in the window.
The my light.
Yeah. Zeus, come here. You want this? Okay.
Don't, because it's scaring a little tiny baby boy. He actually just rubbed that foil. You didn't even see it.
What is it?
That foil at you.
Oh, look at the eye!
Go play, Zero. Zero, go play. Oh, look how cute that looks. Amber.
What?
Look where Zero is. Go play, Zero. Go get your ball. Get your ball. Zeus. Come here. Oh no, I didn't really mean come here, come here. I was saying come to me and lie on me and kill me.
You still recording?
Yeah. You're a good boy, aren't you? You're a good boy.
Zero's trying to sniff his pod. Mom, don't film it. Zero's like, where's your balls?
Ah!
She just stroke it. Zeus, come here.
Go, Zero, go play.
Where's the dog?